So welcome again. This is our part 2. We are going to look at Mr. Ngige and hi, hope you're well. So we are going straight to our edit or modify commands. And these are, we are studying on unit of competency, prepare and interpret technical drawing. So in our part 1, we checked at erase, mirror, offset. We also checked on copy and extend. So for this is a continuation. Here we just explain what each command does. So we are going to look at the scale command, the rotate command, the scale command, trim command, the chamfer command, and fillet command to object. Probably we might have our lesson 5 part 3 so that we employ all these commands at one, maybe in one diagram, or we build it from scratch. So again, as I said, so we have these commands from this section. So from this end, so this is the erase, the copy, the mirror, the offsets. Then we are going to start from this end downwards. So, but I believe once you work with the first, it definitely gives you an introduction on how these commands works. So going forward, we shall be manipulating various diagrams, some complex, using these commands because they're editing. So for example, we can have these simple diagrams whereby we have a circle, whereby we have this line that has been drawn, whereby we have this chamfer, and also the dimensions have been done. So maybe we can start by trying to achieve the following as you practice. See whether you can practice and achieve the following. So for scaling, we can say that is used to create an object larger or smaller in size. So that is enlarging or reduction. So the steps are outlined. The move command is used to move an object from one location to another in the drawing area. We have the procedure outlined. Rotate, as we can see, is used to rotate an object around a point you pick. So also the procedure is outlined. The trim command is used to trim one line back from another line. So the procedure is outlined. Then the chamfer is used to put a chamfer between two connecting lines. So this one will look the commands also. Procedure is outlined here. Then the fillet is used to put a fillet between two lines. So the procedure is also outlined. Then I would say that these are my references. So I would encourage you to practice on this activity in your Autocad and watch on the hands demonstration on Autocad. We are going to have our part 3, whereby we are going to show all of these commands in one diagram, or we create an object from scratch using the various commands that we have. So I trust that our video 3 will not have any text, but it will just be a demonstration or a summary of these commands. So watch on the demonstration on Autocad. So watch on our lesson 5.1. So if it's your first time, kindly subscribe. But for the others, I would encourage you to like, share the video So I would like you to do practice the following. So you create this diagram, the one shown here, and also you can take a screenshot once you do that. Then I would also wish you to create the following and also submit it as a screenshot. So so I have illustrated I've taken you through the edit or modify commands. So what now remains is to practice, and we shall do that practice using the assignments that I've given. So going forward now, I trust you can do now major works in Autocad, having checked at basic setup, drawing tools, editing tools, layering tools, and dimensioning tools, all of them captured from our video lesson 1 to our lesson 5. So expect a summary of this presentation. So thank you very much. So I've been your trainer, Mr. Ngige. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you.